Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to design a persistent menu for your Facebook page. Let me show you what I mean by a persistent menu. If you come, this page is owned by real estate agents. Let me show you what I mean by a persistent menu. You can see this button here is what is called a persistent menu. If I click it, it comes up with menu, and if I click the menu, it gives me more options. So if I click about us, I'm trying to relate with the page. Come on, I'm supposed to have a response. The network, you can see it has been able to reply me. When I click about us, it replies with this image, with this and this. If I can go again to see if I want to buy a property, you can see now. So the boot has been set. If anyone clicks buy property, it will say select the type of property you want. So you can do this for an e-commerce Facebook page. You can do it for any Facebook page, but you just have to design it and it will be in conformity with exactly what you are doing with the page. So let's go to, this is the page at which we want to design the persistent menu for LD Live. So when you get to Loomsuite here, what you need to do is to go to the messenger bot and you click boot settings. Then you look for the page here. This is the page. So this get started settings is the first thing you need to do. You can see they have been able to set. You make sure if it is disabled, you will make sure you enable it, and you can write anything. The welcome message you want anybody that just come across your page to see. So on this one, I said I put the name. Welcome to our Facebook page. We lecture people on health. Please click the get started button below to start a conversation with us. So let me save it. So get started button has been enabled successfully. So let me get out of here and go and design the persistent menu. So this is LD Live. So I'll click the persistent menu, and I'll click again, create persistent menu. Then you can leave this as default because this is about the language. You can leave it as default. You can leave this, and you can say this is the main menu. If you want your main menu to lead the person to a URL, this is a web page. You put the website address here. If you want it to be a postback, you put it here. What does a postback means? This is the meaning of a postback. This is a persistent menu. If I click this about us, and it send a message to the page as if I'm the one that typed the message. So it means this is exactly what a postback means. So if you want it to be a postback, you can make it to be a postback. If you want it to be nested, it means it's going to drop down the menu. Let me show you on this one. When I click this menu, it comes up with the menu, and when I click again, it gives me more options. That is the more option I'm going for now. That is the one I'm going for here now. So I want it to give me more options. So I click this and it gives me more options. So I can say about us, and I can lead the person to a web page, my web page that I've already designed, and I've written all the about us there. So let me give an example web page, www.google.com. So that's all about that level. I can add another level. I can say check our store. Then it might be a web URL as well. I can lead them to any URL I want, and I can add another level to make it let me say shop now, but I don't want that to be a URL. I want it to be a post back. Then if you want it to be a post back, now you click the option of post back here, then you add your post back. You can see if you click here, it's not giving you any option, so you add your reply here. You make a template, so if you click that add, it will come up. This template will come up, so you name your template. You can say shop now templates. It can be any name. So the page is LD Life. You can you give please give a post back ID. It can be shop now one. It must be a unique ID, and it can be anything that you have not used with the page before. So you can say you want to reply with text with button. So please check our store for the available items. Click the button below, then you say shop now. It can be anything, but this will be the response. You want to lead them to a URL, so you want to lead them to a website, so you now put your website address at which you know, this example now is talking about a store, so you should have what you need your customers to shop. So you will now put the website address here, www.google.com, just to demonstrate that. Then after you finish, you click submit. That is okay. Close and refresh. You can see shop now has come. Then you click submit. So you've been able to design your persistent menu or make your persistent menu for the LD Life. So now let's go to the page and go and check what we have done. So let me refresh. I will need to refresh the page. So it's still coming up. If I click test button, you can see this is the welcome message we added. So it says, hi Fad, welcome to our Facebook page. We lecture people on health. Please click the get started button below to start a conversation with us. So if I click the get started button, you can see I've been able to click the get started button, but I can't see the persistent menu. I don't know why. Let me refresh again to see the persistent menu. The persistent menu is supposed to come. Test button. I can't see the persistent menu. Let me go back here. Okay, sorry, you need to click publish persistent menu. Sorry, I made a mistake. You need to click publish persistent menu. Persistent menu have been published successfully. So let me go back and refresh now. It will come. Test button. You can see it now. This is the persistent menu. If I click on it, it will say menu. If I click, about us, check our store, and shop now. If I click about us, it will lead me, you know, I put in Google there, so it leads me to Google. If I come here again, click this, check our store, you know, I put in Google there, it leads me to Google again. So if I say this, come back here again, shop now, that shop now was a post back, so the bot will reply. You can see. Please check our store for the available items. Click the button below. If I click the button below, it will take me to the URL which I set there, and it was Google. So that's all about the persistent menu. We'll see in another video. Thank you and God bless.